afternoon. Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today, 2020 Scout 355. Just got this one from the factory a couple days ago. Very excited to walk you through it. Starting at the transom, power on this one, triple Mercury 300 horsepower motors. These are the new V8 that Mercury came out with recently. Real quiet, efficient, very easy to maintain. Really a great setup for this boat. Starting with the profile, we went for the midnight blue with the Scout white stripe on it. Looks really sharp, very classic, elegant design on it. So you walk through the transom here. Very easy to walk across the swim platform. I love the access here. It's just really simple whether you dock on the port or the starboard side to get into the boat. Not to mention you have a nice walk-through transom. Door opens up, top flips open. Inside, very easy, whether you were fishing, trying to drag the big one in, or dragging your cooler with the kids. Speaking of the cockpit of the boat, nice working space here. We have seats both fore and aft. This one does fold away. So again, if you're using it as a fishing boat, got your rod holders all throughout, and you really have that space to work. Underneath this seat is the Seakeeper. This one is the Seakeeper 3. That is going to be the DC version, so it does run off the batteries. Nice thing about this boat, does have the solar panel option for the roof, so it's always charging your batteries anytime the sun's out. When the sun's out, it's a little hot in the cockpit. Slide the sunshade back here, gives you that little bit of extra shade. Again, really well loaded boat. Dive door, flip up, flop down, easy to access whether you're swimming, actually diving, or dragging in a big fish. So we move towards the helm. Triple wide helm seat, flip up bolsters on all three seats. These seats are heated, so in Maryland, might be early season, might be late fall, nice to click those on, still have a nice comfortable ride. Triple Garmin display, everything is integrated together, so you can get motor information, run your stereo, GPS, radar, really everything. Separate, we do have the Mercury Vessel View screen as well. Again, all the engine management information you're ever going to need and then some. With this being the triple Mercs, we opted for the joystick. Joystick makes docking an absolute breeze in any conditions. It also gives you the integrated autopilot as well as the skyhook. And if you haven't used skyhook, it's definitely something you need to check out. Little added bonus, one of my favorite parts about this exact boat is the carbon fiber steering wheel. Just great little touch, little added bonus. So we move forward. 355 does have that nice interior space in it. So you get a head and a sleeping area. Again, well-equipped boat. We're going to have the AC system in here as well, so if you are going to spend the night or a weekend down there, you're still going to be comfortable. As you move forward, you see we have the fender pros. Again, real just easy, pull the fenders in and up. Large seating area, seating for two, flip down armrest. Nice little storage spot. If you can put a cup holder up there, throw your phone in there, keeps it dry out of the way. Great spot to ride when you're running. Just enough breeze to keep you comfortable, but not enough that you feel like you're out of control. Forward seating area. This is a table, drops down to a cushion, or goes all the way down to the floor if you want it out of the way. Really versatile, great space on the boat. You also still have the control of the stereo up here as well. Something I'd be remiss not to bring up is the windlass. Of course, the 355 is going to be standard with a windlass, so you'd never have to go up there and pull that hand over hand. Just press the button, the anchor drops down, and pull it back up the same way you did. Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Give us a phone call. We'd love to have you come in. Love to take you for a ride on this one.